clothes again. Mom! 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 It's not what it looks like. Are those eggs? You mean these? Maybe. You want some coffee? What? No, just stop trying to change the subject. What, do you want an egg? Mom, I just need some clothes. I have to go to school in a couple minutes. Well, why didn't you just say so? Here, take some. Here's your Snuggie. I don't know if you'll wear that to school, but here's your Snuggie. Here's the shirt. Wear this one. By the way, I've been taking some of your socks too. I don't know if you've noticed, but I have your socks here if you need socks. Plenty of socks for school.